Good afternoon everybody. Mga guys, kanina tanghali binigyan ako ng grandson ko na si Kel. Mommy, for you, sabi niya. Ano yan? Sabi ko, baka called strawberry flavor. Eto, ayan, non-fat siya guys. Yan o. Ganda to ha, non-fat probiotic drink. So, ito try ko to guys. Okay? Try ko to maya-maya. Okay, thank you, my grandson Kel, the cutie grandson. I love you, grandson Kel. Thank you so much. Mabait siyang bata kasi binigyan niya ako ng strawberry flavor na parang Yakult to. Ayan o. Non-fat probiotic drink. Thank you so much, grandson Kel. I love you so much, grandson. So, eto guys, ganito.